Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss the review menu in Microsoft Excel. Review menu, you all already have discussed this menu in Microsoft Word. It is similar to that. There may be a minor difference, but it is like the review menu of Microsoft Word. Let's see the commands in the review menu. The first command is spelling. Short key for spelling and grammar is F7. It checks the spellings or grammars on our document or our sheet. For running spelling, we just click the spelling and it is showing me that we should write Shiraz in this manner. These are the Urdu words. So Microsoft Excel does not know what is the correct spelling of this word, so we can ignore it. We'll click ignore all. Okay? If it is an English word, it may be possible that it is telling us the right spelling. If it is, for example, you are going to type something like now this spelling is wrong. I have written the word sales, but I gave the wrong spelling. Now you can check it by spelling and grammar. It is showing me that it's sales. Now I will change it from here, change all or change button. Okay, this is the way how you check spelling and grammar on your sheet. The next one is the thesaurus. Thesaurus means to look for synonym or antonym of a word. For example, this is a result sheet. I want to write the word result. I don't like this word result. I want to look for an alternative word that means the same. Then I'll go to the command thesaurus. Thesaurus will find me consequence, outcome, upshot, product, mark, calculation, solution, conclusion, occasion, and ensure, develop. These all are the other meanings of result. If you want any of them, then just go and click insert. It will replace the word result by the word you want. The next one is Worksheet Statistic. In Microsoft Word, you have studied this button named as Document Statistic. It showed you, actual name was Word Count. Word Count showed you how much pages you have written in Word document, how much lines, how much words, how much paragraphs, and this was. In Excel, when you click this button, Worksheet Statistic, it will show you end of the sheet is cell number 018. Cells of data are 168, tables are 0 and formulas are 40, sheets are 1, cells with data are 168, total number of formula is 40. It is showing you how much formulas, how much cells and how much sheets you have used in this Excel document. Okay? Check accessibility. We'll check the spellings and this type of things as we have already done it, so we will now check the accessibility. Again, Smart Lookup. Smart Lookup is search for definition, image or web page or other result from the various online sources. For example, this word sales. I want to see the Smart Lookup of sale. When I'll click the word sales and click Smart Lookup, it will find me out pictures relevant to sales, document relevant to sales, and other data relevant to sales from online. This time our internet is a bit slower, so it is finding it a bit difficult to show me the media, so I'm closing it. The next one is translate. Translate means to translate something into another language. You can change this sheet from English to Urdu by using the command translate. That next one is new comment. We have already discussed it in Microsoft Word. Now I am going to discuss it with respect to Microsoft Excel. Let's see. a new comment. We have commented the name Usman and we say he is the best. He's the best. Now we are going to comment Zia. He is an average student. Now we are going to comment Zahid. We say he needs hard work. Now when you take your cursor at the cell you have commented, it will show you the comment you have applied over the cell, and you can also see a red mark with the cell you have commented. Now there are many other buttons with comment also here. For example, show all the comments. It will show you all comments in front of you. If you click it again, it will hide the comments. Next comment will show the next comment of the sheet. Previous comment will take you the previous comment, and when you select the cell and click delete, it will delete your comment from the sheet. It will not delete the data. The next one is Protect Sheet. Protect Sheet will apply the protection over your Excel sheet. How? Just click the Protect Sheet button and check these options: selection, formatting, insertion, deletion, sorting, filtering, pivot table, editing, or edit scenarios. Okay. Now go to click and type a password. I'm going to type a password 123 and click OK. I will type the password again 123 and click OK. Now I will not be able to erase anything from this sheet. As I try to delete the data, it is giving me the message cell or chart you are trying to change is protected. It is showing me that it is protected. To change the data, you must unprotect your sheet. Okay, it's okay. Now if I want to type something, it is giving me the same message. I can't type a new data in this sheet, and I can't delete the existing data from this sheet after applying the protection. Okay, if you want to apply some other thing like color, it will be okay. It is not giving us any other option. It is applying the color, it is removing the color, but it just only restricted editing of the data. To unprotect the data again, you will go to Unprotect Document and Unprotect Sheet and type the same password 123. It will be unprotected. Now you can delete the data also, and you can type the new data also. Okay. Another one is Protect the Worksheet. Protect the Worksheet means to apply the password over your worksheet, where, for example, I can right click here, I can delete the whole sheet from this option. I can rename the sheet. I can make a copy of the sheet. I can insert data from other sheets in this sheet. So this is the dangerous thing. I need to stop this thing. For that purpose, we will go to Protect Document and we'll click type the password 123 and again 123. Now, if you right click at the name of the sheet, all of these options will be disabled. They will not work until you unprotect your worksheet. To unprotect sheet, go to the same option again and type the password 123 and right click on your sheet. You will see all the options are highlighted again. That's how you work upon the review menu in Microsoft